Now we are going to discuss about flex in Bootstrap. First of all, we have some flex class. You can see flex row and flex column, flex wrap, flex no wrap. First we see what is flex row. When you want to align your column that you insert or you code in your editor, then we use dot flex row because it is by default it is aligned, but you can also use this. Okay, then it align first A, second B, third C and fourth D. Okay, now after that if you want to reverse this order, we use flex row reverse. Then our first column comes at the end and our last column come to the first. And similarly, if we want to align our column in a row manner, then we use flex hyphen column and it align our column in row wise, you can clearly see. And if we want to reverse this pattern, because our A column is first, B is second, C is third and D is fourth, and you can see when we apply flex hyphen column hyphen reverse, let's reverse the pattern. First we have D, then C, then B, and then at the end we have A. Similarly, after column we have flex wrapper class. In a row, when we have more than 12 grid column, then the last one is come to the next line. This is called wrapper, flex wrapper, and it is by default our bootstrap property. If the sum is more than 12, it automatically come. We don't need to provide this. But if you don't want to such wrapping, then we use flex no wrap. It means after the D it come E, and you cannot see this E if you are using extra large screen, any screen, but it will not show you. Okay, now after this we can reverse the order with the help of this flex wrapper reverse, with the help of flex hyphen wrapper hyphen reverse. Okay, now after this let's discuss about the breakpoint. As you already know, we have 4 breakpoint in our bootstrap: extra large, large, medium and small. We don't have any for extra small screen. Now how we can apply breakpoint? Here you can see first we use the flex, and after that hyphen and we provide the breakpoint. For example, here I provide Excel, and after that we provide the subclass name. For example, in this case we have row, and if we have row and we also have row subclass reverse, then we use hyphen reverse. And similarly, if we using for column, then we provide flex hyphen XL, or small if you want small then SM, and medium for MD and large for LG, and a hyphen column. And if you want for reverse, then follow this the same, and after column you provide the reverse hyphen reverse. And similarly you can provide for no wrap also. Okay, now we'll see how we can practically implement this. Okay, now we'll see how we can practically implement flex in Bootstrap. First of all, you can see I have Bootstrap CSS link in heading and script link of Bootstrap in body. Okay, now here you can see we have a custom CSS. Here I provide background colors, some background color pink, green, orange, blue and yellow, and I provide the container. You can see black color border and row with red color border. Okay, now here I provide a container class. Inside a container class we have a row class. Inside this row class I have 3 call class with background color pink, blue, green. Okay, now first of all let's see the result. Okay, you can see we have first column class, second column class and third column class with respective color pink, blue and green. Now here I provide flex hyphen row. It is by default aligned because we provide the inserting order first column, second column and third column. It is providing that order. Okay, now let's save you can see nothing will change, nothing is changed. Okay, now here I provide flex column reverse. Now let's save and see the result. Now you can see our third call is now first call, and our second call is remain same, and now our first call is become third call. Okay, column you can say. And after this I provide flex hyphen column. Now let's save. Now you can see this alignment change into column wise, you can clearly see. And here if I provide column hyphen reverse, now let's save and see the result. You can see now first we have third column, second, and then first. Okay, now after this let's provide flex hyphen wrap. By default it is wrap. Now let's save. You cannot see the difference. Now I just copy this column, and paste after this, and here I provide yellow class, and here I provide 4. Now let's save and see the result. You can see now we have 4 column 1, column 2, and column 3 and 4. You can see now here you cannot see any difference, because if I remove this class, wrap class, and show you the result, it is same because it is by default property. Now here I provide flex hyphen no wrap. Now let's save. Now you can see our fourth column is overflow, and you cannot see the full width of this fourth column. If I reduce the screen size, you can see it is out of our container, and our container having 100% width, and it is more than 100%. Now I just provide the 100%. Now let's press F12 and I increase the width of our device. You can see we have able to see the 50% of our column 4. When we reduce to large screen, you can see it reduce. Okay, you can see it is overflow. Now let's discuss about breakpoint. Here I provide flex hyphen column hyphen reverse, and here I provide empty breakpoint. Now let's save and see the result. Now when we are at the extra large screen, it is working. In large screen it is also working, and in medium screen it is working. When we are in the small screen, you can see now it is not working. Why? Because it is break. Now after this you can see by default we have breakpoint of our column. Okay, now here I just provide flex no wrap and provide the breakpoint empty. Now let's save and see the result. We are at the extra large screen. You can see it is overflow. When we are reducing, you can see it is working for large screen, medium screen. When we are the small screen, you can see it is break. Okay, now after this you can see it is by default row wise align. Okay, similarly you can provide for reverse, column reverse, row reverse, flex row reverse, flex column reverse. So this is how you can provide flex in Bootstrap. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.